Did you think that the value that I provided you in the gut and viral restoration program matched the price you paid?
Yes. Okay, so you and I worked together through pretty much all of 2024.
Mm-hmm.
If I go back into 2023, when I was when I had the 2 endoscopies and all that kind of stuff, I had enough in medical bills, because when you go and have a procedure done, it's not just the doctor. It's the doctor, it's the facility, it's the anesthesiologist, it's all the lab work. And you start getting bills from all of these different people. And you don't even know how many bills from whom all you're receiving them. You just know that every week you get another bill in the mailbox and your program was not that much from what I spent the year before in all of my gut stuff.
Wow.
And to find out what from them. Take this medicine forever and you'll feel okay. No.